It's your boy. Leckt mich am Arsch. Dude, that's a massive tick. And I know you want to see me build some fitness related stuff. But your boy has got to eat. And that is why I'm coming at you today with the outdoor fitness meal cooking video. For all those gym bros out there and gym brodettes who like to challenge the wrath of nature whilst also not neglecting their gains. So let's get started. Your boy is far from civilization today. Oh, piss dich. You see this? Ugh. Freaking disgusting mosquito. That's what you get for being so freaking greedy. I'm getting eaten by bugs. I'll quickly start a fire and hope the fumes will scare him away. First thing to do, create a little fireplace. A friend called and naturally I started bragging about my toughness. Bleib du nur in der Stadt. Ich stelle mich den Gefahren der Wildnis. It had been quite rainy for the past couple of weeks, so the forest floor wasn't too dry. We are eating dorade today, which has become one of my favorite fish. And now I'm on the hunt for a couple twigs. This is just very basic. Salt and pepper. The dorade, or more specifically, the gilt bream, is a fish from the Mediterranean Sea. And I got those two beauties at 50% off, which obviously made my day. The Gilt Sea Bream commonly reaches up to 35 centimeters, but the absolute chonkers can reach 70 centimeters and up to 7 kilograms. Lightweight, baby! Ugh. Where is my Uncle Ben's rice at? Please don't tell me I forgot the rice. Oh. Mozzarella, zucchini and a couple of tomatoes. Let me quickly chop that mozzarella in half. I admit there's a fair amount of dirt in there, but hey, this is only gonna make us stronger, right? Nice fat package. Rice, mozzarella, tomato and zucchini. Sweet! Check this out. This is gonna be real good. Turn this around. Oh, shit. I would say that's pretty clean. It looks pretty nice. I suppose what makes this meal fitness is using light mozzarella and leaving out the sauce. Let me try this. Dorade is just so flippin' nice. This dorade meat has a really pleasant texture, if you ask me. Trying to make this look like really tasty, but it looks like a proper massacre. And this, well, this is just some meathead, rice, zucchini stuff. Alter, so nice. So if you're a fellow gym bro, or big booty queen, or just like good food, then go out and try this. Please Do not burn anything down, because only you can prevent forest fires. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Obviously, I'm gonna take all the plastic garbage with me, and then I'm gonna take a monstrous piss on the fire leftovers.